In this video, we will discuss about 6 causes of Symblepharon. What are the causes of Symblepharon? 1. Thermal or chemical burns. When the conjunctiva is damaged by heat or chemicals, the resulting inflammation and tissue loss create raw surfaces. During the healing process, these surfaces stick together, forming fibrous adhesions. 2. Membranous conjunctivitis. In membranous conjunctivitis, a fibrin-rich exudate forms on the conjunctiva. As the inflammation subsides, the healing raw areas may adhere to each other, causing Symblepharon. 3. Injuries. Trauma creates open wounds on the conjunctiva. If these raw surfaces are not properly managed, they may heal together, resulting in adhesions. 4. Conjunctival ulcerations. Ulcers expose the deeper layers of the conjunctiva. During healing, these exposed surfaces may fuse with the adjacent conjunctiva or cornea, leading to adhesion. 5. Ocular pemphigus. Ocular pemphigus causes blisters and erosions on the conjunctiva. As these lesions heal, the scar tissue often binds the eyelid to the eyeball, forming Symblepharon. 6. Stevens-Johnson syndrome. It causes widespread conjunctival inflammation, blistering, and raw surfaces. The healing process often results in adhesions between the conjunctiva and the eyelid. Subscribe Smart Optometry for more videos like this. Stay with Smart Optometry and study optometry smartly.